Hi, my name's Marie, and today we're going to do the second half of Seiunchin. So, in the previous video, we did the first half of Seiunchin Kata from the beginning up until the second Archer's block. This part, we're going to start from where the last one left off, and we're going to finish until the end of the kata. So, here's a quick recap of what we did in the last video before we get started. Alright, so you want to take your left foot, step, Seisan stance on a 45-degree angle. You want to close your left hand, make a fist, open your right hand, put your left hand in the palm of your right hand. You're going to do a reinforced middle block. Now, take your right foot, step, Seiunchin stance, the low block with your right hand. Step back, right foot, left foot should be forward, low close block with your left hand. Now you want to take your left foot, step back, Seiunchin stance. You're going to make an X. Left hand will be on the outside, right hand on the inside. So this is called the Archer's block. And the way that you do this, you're going to take the one on the outside, your left hand. You're going to bring it over your head and then behind your head. At the same time you do this, you're going to take your right hand and it's going to come out. So the right hand, it's kind of like a little shuto motion that we're going to do, a little knife hand. And then this one, just bringing it back, okay? So together it looks like this. Now take your right foot, step back, Seiunchin stance. This time the right hand's going to be on the outside, left one in. Right hand's going to come over your head, left one's going to come forward. So together, looks like that. All right, so from here, you're going to step forward, Seisan stance. And as you do that, bring your left hand up, hammer fist. Now step forward, angle Seisan, and as you do that, you're going to do a rolling back fist. So you're here, this hand's going to come down, here, and like that. So together, right after you do this, fast, it should look like this. Now from here, you want to look over your right shoulder, but you're not going to step this way. You're just going to look. Now you're going to step away. So you're going to be in a left foot forward, Seisan stance, middle block with your left hand, and low block with your right. Now you want to step forward, Seiunchin stance with your left leg, and take your right hand. It'll guard your ribs. Uppercut with your left, back fist, groin strike. Now, step back with your left foot, and then low close block with your right hand. Now look over your left shoulder. Just slide your back foot around. You should have your left foot forward, Seisan stance, on a 45-degree angle this way. So you basically are facing the opposite direction now that you were just facing. Do a middle close block with your left hand, low close block with your right. Now you're going to step forward with your right foot this time, and uppercut, back fist, groin strike, all while your left hand is protecting your ribs. Now, step back with your right foot, and low close lock with your left hand. Now take your left foot, step back, cat stance, bring your hands out in front of you, bring your left elbow back, step back, cat stance, and rear elbow with your right hand this time. Now you're going to kind of step forward into a Seisan stance, punch down. Now step forward, angle Seisan. As you do that, going to do that little rolling back fist again. So here, like that. Now slide back, cat stance. Bring your hands over. You're going to make like a little V. Make sure your hands are kind of turned at a 45. So you don't want them this way. You don't want them this way. You want a little 45. In. Then drop them. Step back and bow.